It's 2 a.m. Your restaurant app is down. Menu won't load. Customers are complaining. Your phone is blowing up. You have no idea what's wrong. So you SSH into the server. Check logs. Google the error. Open 5 tabs. Still nothing. Watch what happens when I ask an AI. "10 seconds. That's all it took." Modern applications fail in complicated ways. Slow APIs, database timeouts, payment failures, kitchen systems going down. And when something breaks at 2 a.m., most engineers spend 30 to 45 minutes just figuring out what is wrong before they even start fixing it. I just injected a failure into this restaurant app. The menu API now has a 2-second artificial delay. Every customer who tries to load the menu will wait, and wait, and wait. In a real production system, this kind of degradation could go unnoticed for hours. On-call engineers get paged. Slack blows up. Everyone is guessing. Nobody has a clear answer. What if instead of guessing, you could just ask? This is the AI DevOps Copilot. Think of it as ChatGPT, but built specifically for DevOps engineers, connected to your actual running systems. It's not just a chatbot that reads documentation. It has live access to your infrastructure. It can check what's broken right now, not 5 minutes ago. Right now. Here's what makes this different. I trained it on real DevOps runbooks, Docker troubleshooting, AWS debugging, Kubernetes, Terraform, Prometheus, security. And I connected it live to a restaurant application so it can see real failures in real time. Let me show you how it works under the hood, quickly, without going into code. When you type a question, it goes to a LangChain agent running on FastAPI. The agent decides, do I need to call a tool? Or can I answer from my knowledge? If you ask about the restaurant app, it calls the restaurant monitor tool, hits the live API, gets the current failure status. If you ask a general DevOps question, it searches ChromaDB, that's a vector database with all the runbooks I embedded, and answers instantly. 1 AI, 2 modes, general DevOps knowledge, live system monitoring, both in one interface. Okay, the failure is live. The menu API is degraded. Let's see what the Copilot finds. Watch the bottom of the screen. You can see it calling the restaurant monitor tool live. It's hitting the restaurant API right now. Checking active failures. Root cause. Impact. Exact fix. In under 10 seconds. No SSH. No log diving. No Googling. Now let's fix it exactly as the AI said. To disable the slow menu failure mode. Menu loads instantly. Incident resolved. Now I'm asking a general DevOps question, nothing about the restaurant. Watch, no tool call. The agent answers instantly from its knowledge base. Real commands, real steps. This is the DevOps knowledge it was trained on: Docker troubleshooting, AWS debugging, Kubernetes, Linux performance, Terraform, security. Instant. No API call. No waiting. It knows this from the runbooks embedded in ChromaDB. And this is actually a bug I hit myself while building this project. Terraform was replacing my EC2 instance on every apply because it kept finding a newer AMI. The fix? Lifecycle ignore_changes. The AI knew it immediately. The Copilot also has a live log viewer. Every request, every agent action, every tool call, all hey. Auto-refreshing every 5 seconds. You can search for specific errors across all services. This is the kind of thing you'd normally need Kibana or CloudWatch for. And here's the metrics panel: query volume, response time distribution, tool usage breakdown, error rate. In a production deployment, this connects to Prometheus. Here's what this project actually teaches you, and why it matters for your career. First, how to build AI agents that don't just chat, but actually do things. Call APIs. Search vector databases. Make decisions. Second, connecting AI to real running systems. This is exactly what companies like Datadog, PagerDuty, and Grafana are building with AI right now. Third, real production engineering. Server-sent events for streaming. Async FastAPI. Docker Compose. EC2 deployment. Terraform lifecycle management. Not toy code. Everything is on GitHub. Link is in the description. Full README with setup instructions, architecture, and what you learn. You can clone this, run it locally or on AWS, inject your own failures, and ask the AI to diagnose them. Kitchen down. Payment timeout. Database slow. Each one has a runbook. Each one the AI knows how to fix. That's the whole point. 3 a.m. Something is broken. You don't have time to Google. You need an answer now. That's what this is. If you want to see Project 02, I'm building an AI that understands any GitHub repository and explains it to you. Hit subscribe. I post every week. Link to the code is below. See you in the next one.